Hello, I wanted to update the info on my 2020 Titan Secret Labs chair. Um, this is my right armrest that I replaced a year ago, and this one started wrinkling, as you can see there, and finally it split here. The reason I put tape over it was because I had to have something on it because it was literally cutting my arm. Um, Now, this is the second replacement armrest on this side. The other side, I've only had one replacement so far. But basically, it seems like if you're going to have these armrests, polyurethane armrests on the Secret Labs chairs, that you're going to have to replace them about once a year. They gave me the first one free as what they called a courtesy. They said it's not under warranty because it's considered a wear product. Now, mind you, I'm 59 years old. I've had a lot of office chairs, and I've never had one where the armrest had to be replaced. I had chairs for 10 to 15 years, and the armrests were fine. They may have been scuffed up and stuff, like this one's got scuffs on it. But I've never had them crack, and I've never had them wrinkle. So anyway, got the new armrest on there, so I'm good for now. They charge like 20 bucks for these, which isn't bad, I suppose, but I don't know why they go bad so often, once a year. I've had so many problems with this chair. It still wobbles, and there's lots of just oddities to this chair. It's comfortable, but I would never buy a Secret Labs again. Too much maintenance. I can go buy this was almost $500 chair. I can go buy a $200 chair that'll last me 10 years. So anyway, just thought I'd update this, more stuff I've had problems with on that chair. Catch you later.